Elon Musk just endorsed Bitcoin. Hey guys, what's going on? Jeb here, and in today's video, we have some more meme news to talk about because as you probably already know, Elon Musk, of all people, just endorsed Bitcoin by putting Bitcoin in his Twitter bio saying, "This was inevitable, didn't you know?" In response to this, Bitcoin has rallied more than $6,000 from where it was trading yesterday at $32,000 to where it trades today at $38,000. This Elon Musk instituted rally has caused a bullish break of a previous bearish pattern that had a price target at $24,000. This one Twitter bio change may have just paved the way for a $50,000 Bitcoin in February, and we are going to be discussing all of that and more in today's Bitcoin price prediction. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you do, as always, hit that like and subscribe button, but without much further ado, let's go ahead and dive right on into it. As you can see, quite a lot has happened on CoinMarketCap. Number one, Wall Street Bets is up 134% and listed on CoinMarketCap. But that's not the topic of this video. We will be talking about that in today's live stream. But what I want to point out is the fact that Bitcoin is up 16% in the last 24 hours. You guys know that we had been looking very intently at this descending triangle pattern on Bitcoin, and we had discussed how its price target was most likely 20 weekly exponential moving average sitting down here currently at $24,000. That would have made sense. But of course, in this era of Robinhood being sued by the SEC and Reddit dictating what happens on the stock market and Republicans and Democrats uniting on something that they all hate the SEC, reason doesn't dictate what the market does. Elon Musk's Twitter bio does. And ever since his tweet, we have put something very important into motion. Bitcoin broke this downtrending level of resistance, which almost demanded that Bitcoin go to $24,000. Not only did we break a major downtrending level of support, we also, on MACD, completely reversed our course from bearishness into looking like we're about to cross bullish. Notice, 5 of the last 6 days on Bitcoin's daily chart MACD are green. We are bullish. MACD is coming to cross bullish. Not only that, RSI has double bottomed in the 40 to 45 region, and we have rallied all the way to 59 as of now. On top of that, we know that volume was declining as we moved through this pattern, as you would expect moving through a pattern, but now over the last 3 days, volume is much higher than it already was. And check this out, on top of that, we see that there is something very important here called a bullish engulfing candlestick. Notice we have this red candlestick and the green candlestick is taller. Look up on Google, go do your own research on it. It is called a bullish engulfing candlestick, and what that is a reversal pattern. It indicates that the market is about to continue to the upside. But by the way, that doesn't just show up on the daily chart. No, in fact, we see the exact same pattern of a bullish engulfing candlestick on the weekly chart now. With one tweet, Elon Chan just completely changed the landscape of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Every single technical indicator on Bitcoin now has to be analyzed in light of the fact that the world's richest / second richest man, Bezos and Musk over there, are having like a T-Series PewDiePie battle right now for who's the richest. Elon just decided all technical indicators on Bitcoin are moot because he endorsed Bitcoin. We knew this day was coming. Elon Musk said it himself. So what happens from here? Well, guys, I have to be honest with you. Our prediction on this channel before Elon did this was a $24,000 to $25,000 Bitcoin over the next couple of weeks. We're probably going to break bearish out of the descending triangle pattern, but then Elon Musk comes in and blows up the market. We've seen this happen a lot recently. By the way, in case you didn't know, we're going to talk about this later. Dogecoin is up 600% in the last 24 hours. There's a lot of memes driving the market. And by the way, we talked about this in a couple of videos ago. We talked about something that one of my staff members, shout out to Smay, he gave me this idea. I don't want to take the credit away from him. He dubbed the Robinhood effect. And the Robinhood effect, he calls, is that when small cap retail investors like you and me that don't have billions of dollars, but have maybe hundreds to thousands or tens of thousands of dollars, start getting invested in the stock market and in the cryptocurrency market, we little plebeians down here on ground zero are much more likely to invest based on memes. And that, my friends, is why Dogecoin is up 600%. And that, my friends, is why Bitcoin is up $5,000 in the last 24 hours. But I digress. The point here is this. Bitcoin has changed. The technical landscape on Bitcoin has changed in response to price action that is in response to Mr. Elon Chan over on Twitter with his 43 million followers. Follow us on Twitter. We're trying to get to like 5,000. That dude has 43 million. I say that's not fair. I'm kidding. That's fair. That's how it works. But this does necessitate an update in our price prediction of $25,000 Bitcoin. And I'll tell you what, if Bitcoin is able to maintain above $36,000, which is a support level, by the way, let me show you. $35,500 to $6,000. Look at all these candlesticks over here. Look at this one. Look at this high over here. That is a support level that Bitcoin is now currently above. If Bitcoin is able to maintain above that, then we are almost certainly not going to go back to the 20 weekly exponential moving average, at least based on current technicals. Looks like we might be going to $50,000 because Elon Musk just reignited the fire under the bulls, and it looks like they might be about to start charging. So I'm updating my price prediction. So long as Bitcoin is able to maintain, and this is a very important caveat, so long as Bitcoin is able to maintain its bullishness that it just instituted because of Elon Musk's tweet and Twitter bio update, so long as we're able to maintain this bullishness, I'm putting a price target of $50,000 on Bitcoin before the end of February. You heard it here first, folks. That's where I think Bitcoin is going. Tell me in the comment section down below, where do you think Bitcoin is going? Do you still think that Bitcoin is going to go down to $24,000 to $25,000? Or do you expect that Bitcoin is about to pull a Doge and is about to moonshot? Also, tell me in the comment section down below if you think Doge is going to $1. There's an argument going on in the office right now about whether dollar Doge is something that's about to happen. I'd love to hear your take on that. I mean, look at this. Dogecoin is up 500% in 24 hours. This is stupid. And one final thing, I just want to say thank you to the subreddit Wall Street Bets for continuing to feed video topics to this YouTube channel. We are eternally grateful for your hilarious memes. Thank you. Anyway, guys, that is going to wrap it out for today's video. If you haven't already, go back and watch the live stream we did earlier today because we talked about Robinhood and all of the SEC nonsense and lawsuits and class action lawsuits going on against the Securities and Exchanges Commission. AOC and Ted Cruz seem to be in agreement on something for the first time. Those two people can't agree that the sky's blue, but they both agree the SEC sucks. We talked about that earlier. Make sure to go and watch that live stream. But guys, that is going to wrap it out for today's video. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. It's totally free, doesn't cost you anything, helps out our channel. We're trying to get to 75K subs before Valentine's Day. I would love to have your help on that. Welcome to the channel, all the new faces. But for now, though, guys, that is going to wrap it out for today's video. Before I go, though, I do just first want to thank each and every single last one of you for watching, as always, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.